Hi! In front of me is Nubia Red Magic 7S, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications from apps of your choosing on this device. You need to begin by opening Settings. In them, click on Notification and Status Bar, and then tap on Notification Management. Now you need to select one of your apps from which you don't want to receive notifications from, in my case, Calendar, and click on this sweater next to Allow Notifications. If it's gray, that means that all notifications are blocked, but you can always enable them by clicking on the same sweater one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!